4 polar RF head.
When the device is applied to the face or body, the collagen fibers in the dermis can be heated to 45 to 65 degrees centigrade, and the collagen fibers will shrink immediately, so to achieve the purpose of removing wrinkles, removing scars, and restoring skin elasticity.
3 polar RF head.
This beauty head has the function of directional RF output, which can reach the fat layer directly, dissolves fat and discharges excess fat, lymphatic detoxification, firming the skin, and enhancing skin elasticity.
40 kHz fat burst head.
40 kHz sound wave emitted by the fat blasting head that gathers strong sound waves to effectively consume calories, water and rupture fat cells, so that to achieve the effect of removing fat